Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissa's Nails Clicks. I want to share with you guys one of my favorite nail supply stores online is called BeautyBigBang, and I've done a few hauls from them before. This one here, I have for a review. I have a code for you guys. You go on to BeautyBigBang.com and use this code here, Melissa A 10. You can get a discount. So go ahead and use that code. I'll put it down below in the description box. So first item up is the crystal glass jewelry beads, and this is in the pot that I'm showing you here. And I used that to create my white and blue ornament nail design you can see here. I used the beautiful crystal beads that are inside, and they have a couple different shapes for the clear stones, and then they have blue stones, and they have these framed gold pieces. They're so pretty. I will put the link of everything I show you that I purchased in the description box so you can check them out. It's a really cute little pot. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I love the blue. It's very rich blue. Lots of different shapes. And if you see, the other side of the blue is this gold color. So if you like that gold color, you can use it on that side as well. And there's all different shapes. There's these hollowed out gold pieces there. There's clear beads, there's some clear stones, there's it looks like an oval gold frame almost, a bunch of different kind of size rhinestones here, all in blue and clear. Very, very pretty. Excuse me. Now these are some beautiful foils. I'm sure you guys know how to use these. You put the foil glue on, and then you press it rub it onto the nail. And this would actually come in handy as well. This is called a nail art silicone brush pen. And isn't that pretty? It's got some jewels inside, and then there's two sides here. Like a pointy flat. It's flat, but then it goes to a point. And this one is a little like a almost like a lipstick shape. So you can easily rub on the foils, or if you're putting nail art stickers on, this will help smooth them out. If you're putting like gold or silver foil on, this will help smooth it out as well. It's really slippery, which is nice, so it won't stick to what you're working with. And these are the beautiful colors that these came in. And this is called Starry Sky Nail Foils. Aren't those beautiful colors? Look at that blue. So pretty. Very, very pretty colors. I love them. So I will be using these and showing you how they work. I'll show you an example. And this here is one of the polishes that I picked out, and this is called Pink Mermaid Shell Nail Polish, and it's number 002. And it says it there, but it's a little clear. You can't really tell, but it says 002 on it. Very pretty color. And who doesn't like mermaids? Of course, I love mermaids. Now I did a sample so you guys can see what it looks like. And this is the color on right now. Isn't that gorgeous? Very, very pretty pink. Alright, Alright guys, so this is the shreds in red and green over that mermaid color. Super pretty, I love them. Super easy to do. Stick it on with some top coat, cover it with top coat, and you're good to go. I love it, it's so cute. So don't forget to check out BeautyBigBang.com. Use my code Melissa A10 and you will get a discount. And thanks for watching, guys.